This is so painful. It's heartbreaking. Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you are all doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you are hearing my voice from. Today's video we want to talk about this celebrity P-Square marriage wey be say e don break. We want to talk about the marriage wey be say e don jam rock. For those of una wey no know these people, they are Peter and Paul. They are twins brothers. They do music. They are the most popular musician in Nigeria. Everybody like their music. The one wey they call am Peter for his side, the marriage don jam rock. The marriage don break because his wife he come file for divorce. All the papers e don come out. Na the paper dey here so wey the woman take file for divorce. Marriage wey be say they don dey build for 17 good years. They have been together, but since 7 years na they take marry. And the wife don carry the children e run go US. Wetin dey cause this kind breakup nobody know. These are the people that have money, that don't know what is called suffering, that their wife is living good, then they say are living good. Anything you talk about, they are well, they are on top. If you want count people wey get money for Nigeria, definitely you go still count P-Square journal. Wetin come cause that thing wey be say you go just break 17 good years relationship with children? No, why marriage no dey last this time around, especially these celebrity people? The divorce paper wey they post, when you go there to read it, you will see some comment that will be telling you, people dey find husband dey go. Na you wey marry people wey be say get money, celebrity, you still run comot. But this woman wey comot for 17 years relationship, e get the reason wey make her comot. No be say the woman dey suffer, no be say e no see money take do wetin e want, no be say e no get children for his side, but there is something that make her to decide that this marriage is over, that make her to pack her children and run away. Because you know say if you dey Nigeria, you no go fit talk, but as e comot now, you go where be say you get right to talk wetin dey your mind. She is free. But wetin make her dey talk about now? Wetin make this marriage scatter? Wetin make this marriage collapse? People fit die make dem feel married to celebrity. Why be say person wey dey inside e come run comot? There's a big secret that we that is looking at them do not know. Yes, because you dey look them say they dey enjoyment, they get most popular man, one of the richest man to marry, but the way they inside, they are not happy. The way they inside, they know what they are passing through. That is the reason that make this woman to run for her dear life. Though we don't know wetin cause this problem. Nobody even hear say that they fight. Nobody even hear say the woman they complain about domestic violence, about one thing or the other. But just suddenly the divorce paper is out that the woman is no longer married to Peter. It's very painful. It's very painful because nowadays marriage not dey last. Marriage be say they go suffer, put spend a lot of money. That is when they talk of money, a lot of money they go spend that put. At the end, you no go reach anywhere. Not be only the celebrity their marriage dey scatter for road, you no go reach anywhere. People will be say they don't still know their marriage not dey last. Wetin dey cause am nobody know. Na the fault of the men nobody know. Is it the fault of the women? Nobody knows. The way they inside the marriage, na they know wetin they pass through. There's a parable that said that you that put on a shoe, you know where it's paining you. That is you will wear the shoe now, you know where for they pay you. Those say we were there outside, they look you say you get everything, you dey blessed marriage, you dey that is good marriage, but you that is inside, you know what you are passing through. Like this one now, anybody will go to any length to marry Peter, but woman that is inside, a lady that is swimming inside money, but is decide to run away. He decide to pack the children and run for her life. What is the meaning? What is the cause? As for me, I don't really know. So people might be happy seeing this seeing this happen to Peter, but as for me, I'm not happy, because this marriage, e don tey wey be say e dey since 17 years relationship. At the end, you go scatter for road. No, e get as e be, e get as e be. Nevertheless, the marriage is already over. The divorce paper is out. The woman is no longer with Peter. The woman is in US as we speak now. E pain me to see two lovely people that love themselves. They have been together for 17 years. At the end, this kind of thing happened to them. It's very painful. It's painful. And I pray that God Almighty should unite them together. Whatever is their difference, that they should settle it and come back together for good. If you are one of their fans and their lovers, please pray for them that God Almighty should unite them together, that whatever is making them to separate, that God should resolve it for them. Please help me to share this video. Share it to all your social media platforms. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, Precious Gist TV. As you do that, God Almighty will bless you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.